right, today you're learning how to spray our Tropical Glitz base coat, so let's get to it. So we have a speed shape here. We're going to scuff this up. This is going to be scuffed up with an equivalence of a 600 grit sand scratch. That's a maroon Scotch pad. Now you got to make sure every part of this surface is sanded well. Now what we have to do is spray our surface cleaner. Shake it up. Make sure you want to get a nice wet coat. You want to make sure you have enough product on there to help it lift up the dirt and you can wipe it away. Now we're going to start using our Hornet. This is your adhesion promoter. This is what we recommend when you're using on certain plastics that are difficult. You run the risk of having delamination. That's when the paint doesn't stick to it. You want to make sure you spray on nice coats, even, nice and wet. Tropical Glitz primer. This is our epoxy primer we're using. Now, same thing like always, you want tight patterns, nice and even. You want to make sure the primer is on as smooth as possible. Now, once you let that primer dry, usually it can dry anywhere from 1 hour to 3 hours, all depending on your ambient temperature. You want to go over again with a 600 grit scratch sandpaper or a maroon Scotch pad to make sure you take any little garbage, any debris, make sure the surface is as smooth as possible so you can get the best results with the color. Once we're done sanding that, we're gonna again repeat the same step. We're gonna spray our glass cleaner, wipe it all down, get rid of any excessive sanding residue that's left behind before we proceed to spraying the color. All right, here we go. We have a Tropical Glitz base coat. We're gonna do 2 coats on this product, and you wanna make sure you shake this can at least for 2 minutes minimum. You wanna hear the orientation of the can, of the little marble inside. So we're gonna run on this nice coats, nice and even patterns. We like to run 50% patterns on this. Now, when I say 50% patterns, I mean a 50% overlap. So the first coat's gonna go down real nice and smooth. One of the reasons you want a tight pattern is you wanna make sure you don't have any dry spray or orange peel. You wanna have that paint wet enough where it's gonna melt onto itself. Now on the second coat, it's the same thing. We're gonna run 50% overlap. We're gonna run it nice and wet. We wanna reactivate the color underneath and have both layers melt into each other so we have a nice uniform color. Plus we wanna make sure the orientation of the pearls and the metallics just lay out perfect. We're using Purple Royale Dark. Now that is this color, but in the end of the day, all of our colors or base coats, you wanna use these same steps to get the best results. All right, here we have our Tropical Glitz 2K Clear. Now, very important, activate the bottom of the can, and we're gonna spray this how we want it to come out. Nice wet coats. You see that fan pattern overlapping 50 to 75%. We wanna make sure it lays out real smooth. If you do too much of a dry coat, it's not gonna give you that really nice finished texture. Now we're gonna go back. And for the second coat, we left 5 minutes of a flash time in between 2 coats. We're obviously here in Miami, Florida. It's a lot warmer here. If you're somewhere where it's colder, give yourself more time for the gases to evaporate from the clear coat. That's 2 coats right there. Look how nice and gorgeous that looks. Really important, we're showing you the finished product. This is the color of the base coat with clear coat. This is the exact results you have once you finish the base coat process and you step into the clear coat process and you cover the product with our clear coat. This is the results you're gonna have. So if you guys want to learn anything else, you want to watch more how-to videos, do yourself a favor, follow us on YouTube under Tropical Glitz. We have a lot of how-to videos. We're constantly talking about product and educating. We want to make sure you guys know everything we know to get the best results using Tropical Glitz products.